Use the Windows search function from the taskbar to type Control Panel. Then select it from the results. With Control Panel in icon view, select Backup and Restore, Windows 7. Yes, it still says Windows 7, but this feature works just fine in Windows 10 and 11. Confirm which areas or partitions of your hard drive will be included in the image file, then click the Start Backup button. Windows now creates the image file and saves it to your chosen destination.